Lately, I've been building things, castles and airplanes.
Dearly beloved, we have come together in the presence of God to witness and to bless the joining together of this man and woman in holy matrimony.
Lately, I've been singing songs, playing numbers, throwing dogs.
Marriage deepens and enriches every facet of our life. When two people pledge to love one another, they create a spirit which binds them closer than any spoken or written word.
This is the real life.
Marriage is a promise made in the hearts of two people who love each other but will take a lifetime to fulfill.
Lucky day, when the stars align and clouds have gone away. We're big enough to feel the Milky Way.
Kim, I can't believe the day is here. The day I get to marry my best friend, soulmate, and the beautiful woman I want to spend the rest of my life with. Thank you for all you have done and continue to do for us. My life would not be the same without you. I look forward to a lifetime full of adventure and laughs. Love you forever. See you soon, Mark.
I'm Kim's cousin, Jill. My favorite thing about my cousin is whenever I think about her, I instantly smile. She is a light, and when she's around, just everything glows. She is warm and kind and loving and funny, and most of all, she is an amazing friend, cousin, and in her newest role, wife to all of us.
It's gonna be my lucky day when the stars align and clouds have gone away.
It's almost hard to remember a time before Mark. We are so thankful that you and Kim found each other, and most importantly, glad that she is now your responsibility.
My name is David, and I am Mark's best man. We spent a lot of our childhood on vacations together to Colorado, Disney World. Mark was a lot like his father. He was kind of the strong, silent type. I remember getting a phone call from my father that Mark had found a girlfriend. I had two questions. What did he say? And what is she like?
It's gonna be my lucky day.
I was a little concerned, but it turns out the answers to those questions are I still don't know, and the polar opposite of Mark.
And we're not afraid. It's my lucky day. Gonna fly around the world.
As time goes on, you can see the changes in your loved ones, your friends. And I noticed through Mark and his relationship with Kim, he has all these new wonderful qualities, including extroversion, and it's wonderful.
Mark, I cannot believe this day is finally here. Thank you for loving me the way that you do. For always being the voice of reason, and thank you for everything you do for the both of us.
It's gonna be my lucky day when the stars align and clouds have gone away.
Before we begin this next chapter, I want you to know I love you forever and always. I promise to make you as happy as you make me. I cannot wait to be your wife, and I'm so excited to have an amazing husband like you.
I know that this is just the beginning of a long, loving, crazy, fun, and happy life together. Cheers.
Gonna fly around the world. Let everybody know my time is now. All my friends at home are pointing from the ground, but I'm not coming down on my lucky day.
I now pronounce you husband and wife.